Hare Krishna.
Hello, what do you want?
My name is Ananda. I'm from local Hare Krishna temple.
Uh,
What's your name, Prabhu?
my name's Charlie.
Charlie, nice name. What do you do?
I'm a freshman college student.
Nice, nice, good. So, what do you do in college?
I'm studying astrophysics.
Astrophysics. Wow, that's a very advanced topic.
Uh huh.
So, it's a very special day today.
Yeah, it's Christmas.
Yes, it's Christmas and it's the day of Advent of Bhagavad Gita. You know about Bhagavad Gita?
Yeah, I heard it from my parents. They have a couple.
Okay, so the Bhagavad Gita, if you know, it's a conversation between Lord Shri Krishna and Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, which was imparted by Lord Shri Krishna 5000 years ago.
Uh huh.
And this knowledge is considered to be the life learning. So when somebody take worth in this material world, so this they should have this knowledge so that they should know how to live their life. This is very advanced topic. If you wanted to learn, I think for a person like you who is very intellectual, I think it's gonna be a perfect book for you. Would you like to buy one today?
No, I have so many textbooks that I already pay for, and I'm already studying how the universe works at its fundamental level through quantum mechanics, astrophysics. I don't think, and I don't have time to read it, so.
Oh, you know, but there is some information in Bhagavad Gita about how the universe is created, and would you? I think it's gonna be a good book for you. Would you like to have a copy today? And it's a special day, I think, and we are giving some discounts also today.
No, thank you. I have a lot of reading and don't have enough time. I'm studying, and so I can't right now.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much,
Okay, bye.
Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Oh, Hare Krishna. Hello.
Hi, my name is Vrindavan Das,
Uh huh.
and I'm from local Hare Krishna temple.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've heard of it.
You heard of it? Oh, that's nice. So you been to our temple?
Not yet.
Okay. What's your name, Prabhu?
Oh, my name's Charlie.
Charlie. Okay, good, nice name. So, this is a very special month. This is the month of Advent of Bhagavad Gita, and this is in this month Lord Shri Krishna spoke Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. You know about Bhagavad Gita, right?
Yeah, my parents read it. They have a couple of them.
Okay, that's good. Uh, so we are distributing Bhagavad Gita door to door now. So maybe you would like to have a copy for it?
No, thank you. I'm really busy right now. I have my marriage coming up, and also I'm starting my career in aerospace engineering. It's a bit hard, but I don't have the time right now.
Oh, nice, nice. So you're getting married soon.
Yes, brother.
That's wonderful news.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Thank
so
you.
so this is, since you are starting up your life, this is a very good book for the people who are starting up their life, because it is considered to be as the life manual. So this tell you how you should live your life, and what should you do in this life, and what is the purpose of this life. Maybe this is the perfect time to read this book, since you are getting married.
No, thank you. Like I said, I don't have time planning marriage. As you probably know, it takes a long time and I have to do a lot of work. And also, I have a couple of my papers due for my research. And so I don't have the time right now.
You don't have to spend too much time on this. Just spend maybe 10 minutes every day, read just only 2 or 3 verses. I think then within a six months you should be able to complete reading.
I don't even have 10 or 15 minutes. Sorry. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, good luck for your wedding.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hello.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. My name is Chaitanya. I'm from the local ISKCON temple. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name, Prabhuji?
My name is Charlie Malhotra.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mr. Prabhuji. And so, do you know today is a special event?
Yeah, it's Christmas today, and in fact, we are actually getting ready to go for the Christmas party.
Yeah, I hope you have fun at your Christmas party.
Thank you.
Did you know it's also the advent of the Bhagavad Gita? Are you familiar with it?
Oh, yeah, I know Bhagavad Gita. My parents used to read it.
So then you must be familiar that it's the conversation between Lord Shri Krishna and his friend and devotee Arjun, and they talk about how one should live their life and the purpose of their life.
Yeah, I know about it a little bit.
And so, what do you do, Prabhuji?
Means I am a director at a local research lab.
Oh, so you are a real intellectual. So you must be familiar. So this book has been read by many intellectuals in the past. For example, Henry David Thoreau and Albert Einstein. So this is the perfect book for a person like you.
Yeah, I know it's in my list, but honestly, right now I don't have any time to read it.
Uh-huh. And so if you don't have time, it can act as the perfect stress reliever if you feel as you don't have time. And so just taking 1 or 2 minutes to read a few verses out of this, they can really relax your mind. It's the foundation of yoga.
Yeah, I understand, but the thing is, right now we are really busy. I have two kids going to school. I have my wife working also. We are running all the time. In fact, I don't even have any time to read any book at this point of time.
Yeah, but you can do it in 1 or 2 minutes during your break. So
Yeah, even break, I don't take breaks. I work 12 hours. It's very, even I just rush for the lunch. I don't really get any time. Sorry, I cannot read it right now. There
okay.
is no point.
Yeah, that's okay, Prabhuji. When you're available, you can come to the local temple, and I hope you have a good day.
Thank
Hare
you.
Krishna.
You too, Hare Krishna. Hello.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. My name is Chaitanya. I'm from the local ISKCON temple.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's your name?
My name is Charlie Malhotra.
Nice to meet you, Prabhuji. Do you know today is a very special event, right?
Yeah, it's Christmas. My grandkids are going to visit me today.
Oh, that's amazing. And so it's also the advent of the Bhagavad Gita. Do you know what that is?
Yeah, Bhagavad Gita, I know. I know about Bhagavad Gita, yes.
Have you read it before?
I never got the time to read it in my life.
Oh, so do you have the, what do you do now? Do you have some time?
Yeah, I have time. I'm retired. But the thing is, I cannot read anything right now. My eyesight is really weak. It's very difficult for me to read anything.
Well, Prabhuji, this is a very important book, as this is when Lord Shri Krishna tells what the purpose of our life is and how to even have a successful and happy life at the end of it so that you can end this cycle of birth and death. And so, this would be the perfect book. You have time, and if you can't read it, have one of your children or wife read it.
Well, nobody is around now. They are all gone. My wife is no more. My kids are gone. They live far away. It means I
Well,
cannot really read it. I
Prabhuji,
cannot.
there are also audio lectures online that or DVDs we can sell. We can give you that will allow you to hear the book if you can't read it.
Well, even it's very difficult for me to hear right now. My even ears are not so good, so I don't I can't read it. I can't hear it.
Oh, that's okay, Prabhuji. Thank you. If you ever have the time or if you can, please come to our temple where we have lectures on the chapters of the Bhagavad Gita. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll try if possible.
Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.